Hello everyone. I did a video not that long ago making graduation jewellery. I'll link that video for you. When I was buying some more supplies for those, I came across these graduation charms as well. So there will be another design available. So while I'm making them up, I thought I would just quickly make a quick video. So we've got our ready-made chain with a jump ring, and all I've done is to use 2 pairs of pliers to take the jump ring off the end of the chain, but I'll put it back on and show you, and it's just a reverse of what I've just done, of what I will do. We have a pair of earring wires, 3 of the charms, and these are a 7mm jump ring and there's 4 5mm jump rings. Jewellery display cards. I've gone ahead and used one of these stickers. These are freely available online if you want to make them yourself. So the customer will have a choice of 3 stickers. So we open the jump ring. Add the earring wire, then close. Do the same for the other one. And then close. So I'm going to use 2 jump rings on each earring just so it hangs the right way. So again, we take another one. Open. So this time we're going to put it through the jump ring that we've just done. And then, so we now need to attach the jewellery charm, the earring that is facing the front, what would be the front of the earring. So the charm will go on this way. And then close. Pop one on here. That one. And we'll do the same again. Open the jump ring. Attach this one onto that ring. Then again, there's the front of the earring. So we need it to go on this way. There's that one. And then very similar, we're going to open the jump ring. We're going to thread the necklace through. Add the charm and close. I'm just going to pop the jump ring back on the end of the necklace. Just the very last loop, you put it through and then close. Just do that one up. And we'll attach it to the jewellery card. So that will be probably look better with another display card, but that's what it looks like. Just a very quick tutorial to show you. Thank you for watching. If you do like this video, please like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. There's lots of tutorials available, ideal for the complete beginner. So thank you for watching, take care and happy crafting.